Mastering the art of tone transition, formal and informal writing. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today, we're focusing on a skill that's vital for effective communication, yet often overlooked: transitioning between formal and informal writing. More importantly, we'll explore how to modify the tone and the level of politeness or casualness to fit different writing scenarios. So buckle up and let's dive into this fascinating topic. Before we jump into the examples, it's crucial to understand what we mean by tone and politeness or casualness. The tone of your writing refers to the attitude or emotion your language conveys, while politeness or casualness refers to the level of formality or informality you use in your language. Formal writing is often used in academic, professional, and official settings. It is characterized by full sentences, complex vocabulary, and a neutral or serious tone. It's also usually more structured and follows grammatical rules strictly. Examples include essays, reports, job applications, and official emails. On the other hand, informal writing is more casual and spontaneous. It often involves colloquial language, contractions, and a friendly or casual tone. It's common in social media posts, text messages, and personal emails. Now, let's take a look at some examples and exercises that illustrate how to modify the tone and level of politeness or casualness in different writing scenarios. 1. Formal. 2. Original. I can't make it to the meeting tomorrow. 3. Modified. I regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the meeting scheduled for tomorrow. 4. Informal. 5. Original. The presentation was not received favorably by the audience. 6. Modified. The crowd didn't really dig the presentation. Exercise. Now, it's your turn. Try to transform the following sentence from formal to informal and vice versa. Sentence: the movie was excellent and I enjoyed it very much. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Remember, the key to mastering the transition between formal and informal writing lies in understanding the context and being aware of the tone and level of politeness or casualness required. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll be a pro at modifying your writing style to suit any situation. Hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing,